You might hear the one news that one lady swallowed AirPods instead of painkillers. Yup, that happened in 2021. And not only this, but a few more. Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today in this video, I'll share a few stories connected with Apple products that are weird and life-saving too. I have just shared that one lady named Carly Palmer lives in Boston, swallowed AirPods instead of ibuprofen. She said she had ibuprofen in her right hand and left AirPod in her left hand, and by mistake she swallowed AirPods. That's weird, right? When she realized, she tried puking it up and it won't come out. Luckily, both AirPods and that lady are safe, and Carly shared one video on TikTok saying she is fine now. This is not the first time. Earlier in 2021, one news came from Worcester that a man swallowed AirPods while he was sleeping. Like strange. He was watching some shows on Netflix at night and fall asleep. He didn't realize that one of his AirPods was missing. Like how? I really don't know. But as per his routine, he woke up in the middle of the night, drank water and swallowed AirPods. How? How it is possible? But he immediately underwent some endoscopy at the nearest hospital in Auburn, and doctor successfully, safely retrieved his long-lost earbud. And with that, he learned a lesson that not to fall asleep with the AirPods in, which is risky. However, a few Apple products like the Apple Watch have been lifesaver too. In September 2021, Muhammad Fitri had an accident with a van in Singapore. It was around 8:30 p.m. and Apple Watch detected a hard fall. Immediately, Apple Watch tried to contact his emergency contacts. But after failing to respond to the hard fall alerts, his Apple Watch called for an ambulance, which is likely saved his life. The 25-year-old guy rushed into surgery after he lost consciousness, hit his head, and fractured his skull. He survived the incident and he credited the Apple Watch for saving his life. One more accident happened with Roger, an ice skating teacher from Somersworth who fell into the river. The ice was broken and Roger was there for several minutes and not able to get out of the hole. He was trying to stay calm in that freezing water and reaching for his phone, but it didn't work out. He remembered that he was wearing his Apple Watch and quickly asked Siri to call 911. After that call, it took only 5 minutes for a firefighter to reach that spot, and he really thankful that Apple Watch helped to save his life. Every year, we came across such news that Apple Watch detected such critical medical conditions and helped to save a life. But do you know, Apple products like Apple AirTag help to find valuable things like bikes and car. On 17th August 2021, Brandon, a Renton, Washington resident, found his motorcycle was not at the usual parking spot and missing. Luckily, he attached AirTag with his bike, and he has experience with motorcycle theft before. With the help of Find My app, he located his motorcycle, which was a few blocks away, and that location was updated 3 minutes before. He drove to that location and spotted his motorcycle. He notified the police, filed a statement, and the bike was recovered without any damage. Like the bike, one fellow who lives in Chicago took the help of AirTags to find his stolen car. Scotty shared his stolen car story on Reddit, claiming that he tracked his stolen car with the help of Apple AirTag. When he first got to know that his car was not parked at the usual place, he texted his younger brother if he had taken the car. But no, he didn't, and confirmed that the car was stolen. He remembered that he put an AirTag in the sunglass holder and was sure that there are millions of iPhones in Chicago, so it would help out to track the car. He marked the AirTag as stolen, and just in 10 minutes, he got the notification the car had been found. Amazing! He immediately called the police and explained the situation. Meantime, he got more pings that the car is located and moving in a different direction, which is around 30-minute distance from his current location. He drove to that place, spotted his car, and informed the police again. He waited for the police and caught the thief who has stolen the car. There are few more news stating Apple products like iPhone, Apple Watch, AirTag has been a lifesaver, and we all know the capabilities of it. Also, sometimes I get notification of a high heart rate Even if I'm not doing anything and just sitting on a chair and doing some stuff on my Mac. Based on that, I consulted with my doctor and was diagnosed with a high cholesterol. It's not exactly Apple Watch helped me, but noticing this frequent high heart rate notification pushed me to consult, and I got lucky and it saved me before some critical thing happened to me. Thanks, Apple. I know you also have some incidents to share that might have happened with you, with your family or friends. Do let me know in the comment section down below. Also, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Along with that, download our all new iGeeks blog app to stay updated about everything Apple. Now, allow me to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.